name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make new kind of face mask. Some of my customers, they were complaining that the face mask is sweating them. It's kind of too hot, it's hard to breathe, even though it's better to have it. It's good to have it to protect yourself, which I make them sometimes. But we decided to make something new with the vinyl. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So when you have your head, your cap, you put it on your head. Alright, what we have to do is we're gonna put both sides little Velcro. And we have a vinyl here. It's nice and heavy duty kind. New, clean and very good, so you can see very well. So what we have to do, we're gonna sew a Velcro and then we're gonna see how it's gonna look. What we need is a Velcro that I have over here. And I'm sure everybody knows what's Velcro. So what we have to do is we're gonna cut about 1.5 inches. You can cut 2 inches too. 1.5 inches we're gonna cut, and we're gonna put both sides Velcro. And the other sides of the vinyls we're gonna put over there too. So let me cut first and make it about 2 inches. There you go. So what we have to do now, we're gonna sew one side of Velcro here and one side the other side. So we need, of course, for two sides, we need 2. Alright, now we're gonna sew them. Alright, now we have to take the Velcro and we're gonna put the soft one. Doesn't matter which one do you put, the soft one, both of them you have to do the same, of course. We're gonna put wherever you see the end of the cap, maybe one finger a little bit away. Well, this is very good idea at the same time, in case if you don't like it, or let's say that hopefully they'll find the vaccine for this, we don't have to wear it anymore. You can take it out anytime you want. Nothing is permanent. That's the good thing about it. There you go. We're going to put now the other side. You don't want to be sweat your face. Some of them, they are having hard time, and some of my customers, they are having hard time to breathe because they have a sinus problem. So we decided to do this. It will be a good idea, I think. There you go. And doesn't take too much time. You can always go backward again just to secure them. There you go. You can make the length as long as you want. It's up to you. You can cut it as long as you cut the size that I will show you now. So now we're gonna sew this just like this. So when you go to the market, you'll wear it. You come in your car, you take it out. If you want to leave on, you still can leave, and you can see beautifully. It's nice and clear, and it's very comfortable. Now, because this is a plastic nylon, go over a few times. It's fine. So this way, you don't have to have a problem breaking or tearing out, which it won't, because it's a nice vinyl and Velcro is holding it. So you won't have any problem, but do a couple times backward, forward if you can. There you go. Always put your needle down and then twist so it won't move. Go back one more. Alright. And here we go. Alright, now I want to show you. Now it's Velcro the way you want it. It will stay on your head. So this is the way you can wear even your eyeglasses. It will show you very comfortable. You can see very clear, very good. And the Velcro, you can bring it, I mean, the plastic, you can push it down as much as you want. You can cut as long as you want. But this is the way it's gonna look. It's protected from both sides. You don't have to have a hard time to breathe. A lot of my customers, they're having a little bit hard time to breathe. They are sweating, they are so uncomfortable. So I thought I will do something like this for them, so they will be very comfortable. It's a Velcro. You can go shopping like this. When you're in the car, you can take it out, you can put it away, and you can drive very comfortable. So even when you drive, you can drive, and it doesn't fog to your eyeglasses or anything. I made another one over here, which is the same thing, except this one has a little bit extra thing. This is a head again. Sometimes you can pull this down, and you know, in case if you want to ventilate air, it just goes out from here. It's fine too. It's a Velcro, but you want it, you just keep it top. You just open the Velcro and fix it the way you want it. Here it is, push it up. All I did, the bottom over here, I don't know if you can see a little Velcro, just like this. When you go shopping, you want to protect yourself from both sides. It's covered. You can breathe very well, comfortable. You can hear, you can talk, you can wear with your eyeglasses, and you can see very comfortable. Well, I hope it does help you. And if you don't want to wear your mask, but again, don't just get rid of it if you're not going to wear it. Have a mask in case if you're not going to use it. Mask is a good thing too. This is more or less, it's for people who's having a hard time to breathe. It's perfect to have it. Now the summer is coming. When you go to the beach, whatever, you want to keep your face open so you can get breeze, air, fresh air. And the plastic, it will just protect you from talking from one person to another, so you don't get any germ bacteria. So anyway, well, thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I hope you'll make it. It's very simple, easy. It's a very nice heavy duty vinyl. It's very comfortable. It's not stiff. Anytime you want, like I said, you can take it out in your car and you can put it back anytime you want. Thank you again. Bye bye.